We all face the same problem. We have too many tasks to do, and when we rush to complete them all, we end up messing things up and not finishing even a single one effectively. We humans are often bad at prioritizing our work. We struggle to differentiate what should be done first. Instead of focusing on what the situation demands, we tend to do whatever our mind tells us. But how do we determine what is important and what is not? What is urgent and what can wait? This is where the Eisenhower Matrix comes in. A powerful time management tool named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States. He was known for his incredible productivity and ability to make tough decisions quickly. So what does this method mean for us? The Eisenhower Matrix is a 2x2 grid divided into 4 quadrants. Each quadrant helps categorize tasks based on 2 factors, importance and urgency. Let's break down each quadrant. This is the do quadrant where you place tasks that are both urgent and important. These are the tasks that demand immediate attention, have clear consequences if left undone, and directly affect your long-term goals. There is no confusion about which task belongs there. These are the ones constantly on your mind, often causing the most stress. Here is a tip. If your life feels like it is always filled with urgent and important tasks, you might be stuck in a cycle of constant firefighting. Consider managing your time better to reduce this. This is the schedule quadrant, where you place tasks that are important for your long-term goals but not urgent. Since these tasks don't require immediate action, you can plan them for later. Tackle these tasks right after dealing with those in quadrant 1. To stay productive, you can apply time management strategies like the Pomodoro technique. I have covered this in my first video. Why it matters? This quadrant is where success is built. Eisenhower believed that spending more time here reduces crisis in quadrant 1. This is the delegate quadrant, where you place tasks that are urgent but not important. These tasks require immediate attention but don't significantly impact your long-term goals. Since these tasks don't need your unique skills, you can delegate them to someone else. Here is a tip. Many people mistake these for important tasks, but they are often just noisy distractions that feel urgent without adding real value. After sorting your to-do list into the first 3 quadrants, you will find a few leftover tasks. These are the neither urgent nor important. These distractions only get in the way of your goals. Place them in quadrant 4, the delete quadrant, and consider eliminating them altogether. A little reflection is healthy, but too much can lead to procrastination. That is the Eisenhower Matrix, a simple, powerful tool to keep you organized and manage your time effectively. Give it a try and share your experience. If you found this helpful, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. It keeps me motivated to create more content for you.